Also, this ugly start button, like, why would they? That is the ugliest start button I have ever seen in my life. What's up guys, Trigger Z here, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing a video on Windows 8 developer preview. The mouse is not liking me right now. This is actually the worst mouse cursor I've ever seen right now. And yeah, those settings are good, and let's install. Now the cool thing is, like, this is basically a mix of Windows 7 and Windows 8, which is pretty apparent because it's basically built off of Windows 7 like every other version of Windows is. See, look, it still has that Windows flag, that old Windows 7 logo, which they later stopped using. We're almost there. That actually didn't take that as long as I thought it would. By the way, this is Windows 8, not Windows 8.1, but it's basically the same thing except just an update. Windows 8.1 is basically just an update for Windows 8. But Windows 8 did lose support. The second Windows 8.1. Well, not the second Windows 8.1 came out, but like right about a year later, to 5 months, I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Windows 8 is a, what, that is not right. Okay, so Win 8 dash dev, okay, for dev prev developer preview, Win 8 dev prev. Yes, I don't care about the settings, just go. I don't want to log in. Local account. Windows 8 beta. No hints. Oh, oops. Okay, whatever. I wrote beta wrong. Beta. Well, I didn't write it wrong, but capitals. Oh my gosh. Windows 8, I don't have time for this. Windows, whatever you're called, Windows 8 dev prev. Please, I have no... Oh, okay. So... Wow, there's a lot of apps. Oh, the Windows, that looks different. It just doesn't work. Yep, okay. And, whoa, it's a Windows 7 background with Windows 7 taskbar with, actually, no, that was the same. I think, okay, that looks the same. I'm going to go ahead and install guest editions, and I'll be right back. Let's reboot now. I'm going to adjust the screen size. So let's just look at the startup screen just for fun. So it doesn't even have a proper boot up screen. It's just Windows Developer Preview. They should have done like Windows, like at least the Windows 7 logo with that spinning thing. I'm not sure, but at least do something like that. And there you go. So yes, oh what why I don't. Oh, never mind. It worked. So, yes, it is working. Okay, so everything, I mean, this is really interesting. So, let's just go ahead and start off with like the start menu first, because this is where Windows 8 is. This beta has like an uninstall button right here. So, if you're installing programs, I think it'll have an uninstall button right here. All the programs are almost everything that had all the programs that had before in the Windows Store is pre-installed. Unlike Windows 8. And also the background is green. So basically the main color for Windows 8 is green. Mostly everything is the same in the start menu. Oh, wait. What happens if you click that? Okay, so it's a little bit different. So it's really large. And you have like 4 options. I think it comes up with a bar. The store does not work. Oh, wait, what? The store does work. So it isn't available. Okay, so I thought it did work. Well, now it works. It didn't work before. Now it works. You can't install more apps. This is all you get, unless you get programs. InkPad. So basically, this is what they were trying to do. They were trying to get like, notes, and they wanted to make it a tablet. They put such a low resolution background. It's just, oh my gosh, Microsoft, come on, you can't just do that in Windows. You can't be lazy. And also this ugly start button, like, why would they? That is the ugliest start button I have ever seen in my life. Like, what on earth? It is just a black background that does not blend in with the taskbar, and it's just like, what kind of colors? Like, that doesn't even look like the real thing. It's like they didn't even put any texture, 3Dness, or anything. Like, the artwork is just so plain simple. So that is not good. The background, okay, let's just take a look at the personalization. Windows Extended, ooh, I want to see what this is. Okay, I did not know what that was for. It still had arrow, but like it doesn't have arrow. Windows Basic. Oh no. I didn't mean to do that. What is it doing? This okay. Okay. So, oh, that's pretty interesting actually. So, the basic, so if I change it to Windows Basic, it does have a little bit of a hint for Windows. This is basically the Windows 8 theme. It's basically just Windows Basic in the developer preview. This is the Windows 8 theme almost, and also the taskbar. This is almost the Windows 8 theme. That is cool. Once we go back to the theme it came with, it's just Windows 7. Will not look exactly the same, but like it functions exactly the same. But so is it possible to make it look arrow? So if I go to sky, wait. So okay, so you can kind of get arrow. I can see it. Oops. So I can see how you can get arrow on this. The theme is really different though. Like these buttons look different, and it's pretty interesting. See the taskbar. We can still do the same things. I put it to the left and wait, what? Oh my gosh, you can't. Oh wait, no, you have to click apply. I'm stupid. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the icons down here. So whenever I try and do the properties, it still has that Windows 7 orb like taskbar thing, and it's just like seriously, you gotta change that. Look, I don't know if they changed that. I want to actually see that. But yeah, the theme, like almost everything on the desktop side is basically Windows 7 besides this taskbar. So wait, what if, so I want to hate this version of Internet Explorer. It's so slow. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. 1920. Please, oh my gosh. It's this, make it full, this is actually, what is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, I should probably get Chrome. This is so bad. So let's set this as a background. So if we were to imagine this was high quality, it would almost look like Windows 7. Change user tile. I want to see that. So oh my gosh, look at this is the control panel. This is the control panel. So wait. Click control panel. Yes, this is the control panel in Windows Developer Preview. That is cool. That's actually really cool. This reminds you of the Windows 10 control or Windows 10 settings panel. Wow, that is cool. Wait, tweet at oh my gosh, I have to see that. Tweet at Rama. Authorize tweet at Rama to use your account. Wait. Did they like merge? Is this a completely different app from like is this a competitor for like Twitter or something, or is just like did they just put Twitter and just like put it in this like, if they actually did that, that would be really funny. How did